All right, boy Trigger Man, back in the lab. And today, what we have here, today we have an empty booth. Nah, I just want to talk, man. I just want to talk. Give me a second, 30 seconds.
The Trigger Man, where we play no games, and we got good aim. Welcome to the channel, and thank you for watching. The Trigger Man.
Today is a follow-up video on the speed of painting. Remember, Trigger, you're moving too fast, the Pro Painter. This is a follow-up on that. I had a guy in the comments to mention to me that I guess other channels that was against spraying metallics wet, that they had changed their mind and now they're painting their metallics wet, like I've always done from the beginning, like I've always preached to you guys about doing. I went under fire for that when I initially started this channel, and I made this video. It's a quick video, 2 minutes, but it's to show you guys that in the previous video about the speed of painting, and once you learn to paint better, more efficient, you will move faster. So this is basically a follow-up to that, you know. In this case, guy's been painting for years, but as you learn, the gentleman is still learning. He learned a way to make the job more efficient, which then is going to turn around, he can move faster and make more money. And that's what it's all about. That's all this video is about. So I just want to run a short clip. None of this video has a voiceover. These are all pre-recorded videos that I've done, some of them from last year. And that's it. That's how I get my content. You know, I make my content based on what you guys say. You know, I don't watch other videos. I don't watch hardly any YouTube videos. The Humble Painter, Lux Custom. I don't watch the majority of these channels, so I don't know what these guys are doing until you guys tell me. When my subscribers make a comment, that's what I make my videos off of. You know, I just get creative and I just have that kind of mind. I just do that. I don't go and search and see what no one's doing. So this was brought to my attention by a subscriber. So I'm making this video based off on and guy, whoever you are, I forgot the guy's name, but I'll try to find the comments. There was a lot of comments. There's like 400, 500 comments in that video. So I'll find that and I'll put it up. But here's a short clip and I'll let it run and I'll hit you guys in the end. You see right here, spraying it on pretty wet, application of silver metallics. Me, I like to spray. My coat's a little heavy.
Now I want to give a shout out to a guy out there who's got a channel. If you're out there, Trigger Man, this one's for you because you really saved my ass on this car. I pulled off a trick that I don't think I could have done without his advice. I was watching Trigger Man. He says, you know, make sure you do a wet coat and another wet coat and it'll be good. About the metallics having a little more of a bed to lie down in.
You guys that are taking up that technique of putting down your base wet.
Here's one thing I've changed. I'm starting to apply my base coat on metallics much wetter.
Spraying it on pretty wet.
I've been watching a lot of my buddy Candyman and in the water-based system. I've been watching a lot of my buddy
The Trigger Man.
in the water-based system.
His videos are great because he paints real fast. He's running around the car. He narrates through the whole thing. He says a lot of things with a lot of tricks. It's hard to keep up sometimes because there's a lot of info in a small space of time. But what he was explaining was with the base coats. He says, you know, make sure you do a wet coat and another wet coat and it'll be good.
Of that wet paint.
AKA wet.
It's gonna lay down super smooth.
And Trigger Man mentioned, you know, you got to do this, and as you go, sometimes just make sure you let it dry, let it flash off. Well, I did that. Actually, when the house had lunch, 40 minutes later came out, it had flashed off. So, Trigger Man, thanks, buddy. You saved my ass on this quarter. And not only that, this is probably the nicest painted panel on this whole car. And I'm stoked. I'm just stoked.
AKA wet. See here how it's still wet? When I tell you guys I put on the base wet, you put your base wet, give it time, let it flash.
I'm starting to apply my base coat on metallics much wetter.
Wet. I like to spray. My coat's a little heavy. Application of silver metallics. I like to spray my first coat wet, my second coat wet, hell, my third coat wet. That's just my method. That's the way I've always sprayed, and it's always worked. You guys that are taking up that technique of putting down your base wet. So, as you see, at any stage of the game, while you're learning, you can change gears, you know? You can change gears. Where you started painting to where you end painting is not going to be the same, okay? See, the first gentleman that was in there with the old school car, he's been painting for a long time. He's painting. Old school classic restoration. He used the method and it worked. The other gentleman, been painting for a couple years. He changed gears. It worked. It wasn't due to me. It was due to someone spraying water-based or something, he said. I'm not sure. But again, he changed gears, wet, metallics, and it works. And that's it. You know, when I teach you guys something, I don't teach you the way to, like, if you're learning, like a little be scared, you know? I'm not teaching you guys that way. The way I teach you guys is gonna be the way I paint now, which is gonna be advanced for you. So I can't go back to almost 3 decades ago how I learned to paint and spray lightly and spray. I'm telling you what works now with the material I paint, with solvent base, solvent and water base, 2 complete different animals. And that's it, you know, so that's all. I just wanted this video to be educational, to let you guys know that it's okay. Because some of you guys are painting and you're painting slower and a little timid and scared to get it on there. And that's okay. You're learning. As you go, you'll get better, you'll get faster, more efficient, and you'll make more money. So that's it. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.